Welcome. If you're tired of endless tabs cluttering your Google Chrome mobile browser, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated way to group tabs in Google Chrome Mobile so you can stay organized and find what you need faster. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Chrome's tab grouping feature is now available on most Android and iOS devices, so make sure your app is up to date for the best experience. Next, start by opening multiple tabs. You can do this by tapping the plus icon at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Open as many tabs as you want to organize. Maybe you have research for work, shopping sites, or articles you want to read later. Now, look for the tab switcher icon. This usually appears as a small square with a number inside, showing how many tabs you have open. Tap this icon to view all your open tabs in a grid layout. Here's where the magic happens. To group tabs, simply tap and hold one of the tabs you want to include in a group. While holding, drag that tab onto another tab you want to group it with. When you release your finger, Chrome will instantly create a new tab group with those tabs inside. You'll notice the grouped tabs are now stacked together, making it easy to switch between them or add more tabs to the group. You can continue dragging more tabs into this group if you want. To view or manage your group, just tap on it. You can open new tabs within the group, move tabs out, or close them individually, whatever works best for you. That's it. With just a few taps and drags, your Chrome mobile browser goes from chaos to organized. Grouping tabs helps you keep related pages together, declutter your browsing, and boost your productivity on the go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to organize your tabs and enjoy a smoother browsing experience every day. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.